In a delightful twist of fate, Taylor Swift has stepped into the kitchen with Patrick Mahomes' daughter, Sterling, creating a unique bond over baking. As the NFL superstar shares more about their sweet kitchen adventures, it becomes clear that this unlikely trio is stirring up more than just flour. In the whirlwind of celebrity romance and NFL glory, a charming new dynamic has emerged. Taylor Swift, the pop icon, and Sterling Mahomes, Patrick Mahomes' adorable 3-year-old daughter, have found common ground in baking. During a recent episode of the Drive podcast, Patrick Mahomes shared heartwarming details about how Swift has become a mentor of sorts to his little girl, teaching her the art of baking delicious treats. This revelation not only highlights Swift's culinary talents but also sheds light on her blossoming relationship with the Mahomes family. As fans watch their lives unfold in the public eye, this sweet connection showcases a side of Swift that many may not have considered. Patrick Mahomes, the two-time NFL MVP, has been vocal about the special bond his daughter has formed with Taylor since she began dating his teammate, Travis Kelce. He fondly recounted how Sterling enjoys spending time in the kitchen with Swift, where the two create various baked goods together. Sterling is a big baker as well, Mahomes shared, adding a humorous touch by admitting, "I'm not gonna say I don't eat them." This lighthearted comment not only emphasizes the joy in their baking sessions but also hints at the delicious results of their culinary adventures. The relationship between Sterling and Swift has clearly evolved into something special. As Swift has gained a reputation for her baking skills, especially her homemade Pop-Tarts, Mahomes has been fortunate enough to sample some of her delectable creations, such as muffins and donuts. He described her treats as good as everybody has talked about, further solidifying Swift's status as a talented home baker. This is not just a casual hobby for the superstar, it appears to be a genuine passion that she shares with her loved ones. The Mahomes family has warmly welcomed Swift into their circle, and her connection with Patrick's wife, Brittany, has only strengthened this bond. As the head coach of the Kansas City Chiefs, Andy Reid, noted earlier this year, Swift made special treats for Kelce and his teammates throughout the season, charming everyone with her culinary skills. Reid shared that she made homemade Pop-Tarts for the offensive linemen, instantly winning their hearts, even though he himself didn't get a chance to try one. The baking continues with Swift's thoughtful gestures, such as preparing a sheet of cinnamon rolls for Kelce, one of his favorite desserts, early in their relationship. Beyond baking, Kelce has also revealed that Swift is broadening his culinary horizons. On a recent episode of the New Heights podcast, he opened up about how her influence has encouraged him to try new cuisines. Kelce admitted he was once a picky eater but is now beginning to embrace new foods, including Israeli cuisine and lighter curries. Jason Kelce playfully remarked on his brother's transformation, acknowledging the positive impact Swift has had on his eating habits. Kelce himself joked about his continuing aversion to certain textures and presentations of food, emphasizing his lighthearted approach to trying new things while still holding on to his preferences. As Patrick Mahomes shares glimpses of life with Taylor Swift and their delightful kitchen escapades, it's clear that this trio is creating cherished memories that extend far beyond the football field and concert stage. The blending of two seemingly different worlds, NFL stardom and pop royalty, illustrates how love and friendship can lead to unexpected connections and shared experiences. With baking sessions that bring joy to Sterling and delicious treats that win over the entire Mahomes family, Swift is proving that her talents reach far beyond music. Whether she's hitting the high notes or whipping up muffins in the kitchen, it's evident that Taylor Swift is making a sweet impact in the lives of those around her.